Raise your washing machine and dryer to a more convenient height and add extra storage space for laundry essentials with the Samsung pedestal. The following components are included with each of your pedestals: 4 leg brackets, 4 guide covers, 12 screws, and 4 pieces of double-sided tape for use with smooth floor installations. Check to be sure you have all of these before you proceed. You'll need Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers as well as a wrench. And you'll definitely need some help lifting your appliances, so be sure you have a friend handy. First, thoroughly clean the area where you'll be installing the pedestals. Next, let's prepare the pedestal for attachment. With the help of a friend, move the pedestal to the install location. Make sure to leave enough space for all 4 corners so you can access the legs underneath. If you're installing on wooden panel flooring, be sure to put the legs on the same panels. Avoid placing them directly on the floor lines. Now, you'll level the pedestals, keeping the pedestals as low to the floor as possible to prevent shaking. Once the pedestals are level both front to back and side to side, the locking nuts must be tightened to prevent the legs from moving. Once the pedestals are level, move them away from the wall. Now, with the help of a friend, move the washing machine and dryer close to the pedestals. Lean the appliance to one side, rotate the front and back feet clockwise as far as they will go, and lock them in place. Then, being sure not to lift the appliance alone, move the appliance onto the pedestal so that the feet rest properly in the clamps. Be careful not to pinch your fingers. For a dryer, you'll place the feet in the inner circle of the pedestal's safe landing grooves, and for a washing machine, you'll use the outer circle. Once the feet are in position, confirm that the washing machine and dryer line up with the pedestals. Check the sides and the back. Now, attach the leg brackets to each foot of the appliance, and using the provided screws, secure the left and right screws for each bracket in place. Leave the center screw holes open for now. Next, attach a guide cover to each corner of the pedestals. They're marked with L and R to help you with proper attachment. Finally, use the remaining provided screws to secure each guide cover in place. As an important note, if you're installing a new washing machine with your pedestals, be sure to remove all the shipping bolts from the back of the unit. After attaching the guide covers, connect the dryer vent and power. Also reconnect the washing machine's supply lines, drain hose, and power. Now, with your friend's help one last time, safely move the washing machine and dryer, stacked on their pedestals, to their final position. We recommend moving the washing machine, then the dryer. Push on the corners of the washing machine and dryer to check the leveling, making small adjustments if needed. You'll also want to run a spin test by placing a small load of wet clothes into the washer and selecting the spin-only mode. To reduce any remaining vibration, make quarter-turn adjustments to the pedestal feet. And be sure to tighten all locking nuts. And lastly, be sure to use the provided double-sided tape under each foot if your floors are smooth, such as tile or wood. And with that, you're all set. Now you can use the extra storage drawer space to tidy up.